Peace, love, and light. I am Amethyst Yah. I want to welcome you to this crown yoga movement practice we're going to do today. As we know, the crown chakra is the seventh primary energy center within our body, located at the top of our heads. This is our space of inner knowledge, inner wisdom, higher consciousness. And so whenever you're ready, let's go ahead and take a seat wherever you are. Place your left hand on the top of your head and your right hand over your heart space. Take a moment to connect to the breath. Take your two fingers on your left hand and begin tapping your crown. So use your index and your ring finger to gently tap that soft spot at the top of your head. This is a technique called EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, that allows us to reduce stress, remove anxiety, and then slowly bring that left hand down to your third eye. Gently tap to activate this third eye intuition center, and then slowly bring up both hands towards your eyebrows. Work your way down to the outside of your eye, gently tapping on both sides of your face, and slowly work your way to underneath the eye. This is one of my favorite spots. And using only one hand, take your index and your ring finger, tap your chin. The other hand resting on your knee, still breathing slowly, being mindful of where you are. And gently work your way down to your throat space. And gently bring both hands to your collarbone, tapping your chest, your shoulders, your heart space. Anywhere that feels good to your body, just gently tap, breaking up any stagnation, any energy that doesn't belong. Gently release the hands down to your knees with your palms facing upward. Let's take a deep cleansing breath together. Inhale slowly through the nose. Allow the air to fill up your chest, your belly. And whenever you're ready, slowly release. And let's work our way into a child's pose. So come into tabletop, widen the knees, send your hips back and extend your arms, and allow your chest and forehead to come to your mat. Deep cleansing breath in. Inhale slowly through the nose, expand your belly, and gently exhale it out the mouth. Allow yourself to sink further into the ground. As you continue to inhale, send the oxygen to your crown, that space of higher consciousness. Gently come up, shift the body forward into an upward facing dog, thighs off of the mat, arms are lengthened, chest is up. Tuck your toes and let's move into a pyramid or downward facing dog, sending your hips up and back. Inch your feet in just a little bit, rise up on the toes, try to get the chest closer to your thighs. Inhale here, exhale, try to release the feet to the mat. Again, rise, inhale on your toes, exhale, twist the ankles to the right side of your mat. And inhale, rise to the toes, twist your ankles and your heels to the left side of your mat. Again, inhale, rise up on the toes and inch your way all the way to the top of your mat. Let's inhale for halfway lift, hands to your shins or your knees. Exhale it down. Inhale your palms to the back of your ankles. Exhale, try to send that chest to your thighs. Breathe here. And then whenever you're ready, slowly walk your way all the way up with your head the last to come up. Let's move into some balancing. When we send blood to the crown, it helps to activate this center for us. So standing tall, elongating the spine, bring your arms down by your side, palms facing forward. Slowly bring the palms to your heart center. Shift your weight to your right side. Let's come into tree pose. So you can bring your heel to your ankle, to your shin, or above the knee. Inhale, exhale, extend your arms out like a V. Extend those branches. Look up to the sun. Breathe. And if you feel cold, bring your palms together over your head, still balancing in tree. Exhale the palms down to your heart space. And slowly release the leg and your hands back down. Palms facing forward. Take a moment here to breathe. Again, we're going to practice this on the other side. Palms to your heart space. Bring that right leg into tree. Extend the arms out like a V and upward. Bring the palms together over your head. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly bring your palms to your heart space. And allow the body to rest. Bring your foot and your hands down. Inhale the arms all the way up to the sky. Palms together. Just feeling this motion of inhaling upward to your crown. Hands come down to your heart space once again. And slowly send your palms back up all the way up into the sky. Turn the palms out. Swan dive down to the earth, hands on your mat. Widen the legs, come into a straddle position. Hands are to your mat. Inhale for halfway lift. And exhale, come back down. Maybe you extend your hands in between your legs or grab your ankles. This is another opportunity for us to bring the blood to our head space. Palms flat on your mat. Maybe take a bend here in your knees and then extend. Try to get your head closer to the mat. Let's turn towards our left, coming into a lunge. Keep the body low, bend that right knee, lift the chest. Inhale. And exhale, bring the left knee down to meet the earth. Bring both hands in front of that right knee for a lizard. Lift the chest again, press your body forward. And then exhale, send the hips back, straighten your right leg for half split. Come forward again, tuck that left knee, lift up. Bring your right back to meet your left, coming into pyramid or downward dog. Again, just breathing here, sending blood to the head. Release the knees, send your hips back, come into a variation of child's pose. I'm going to keep my knees together here, but feel free to widen your knees if that feels good. If your knees are together, bring your palms down by your feet and just breathe in this moment. Begin to bring your hands towards your head. Lift the body into tabletop. We're going to send our left knee forward this time. Tuck that right foot. Come into a low lunge. Lift the chest. Breathe in. And exhale. Bring that right knee back down to meet the earth. Bring both hands to the inside of that left knee. Lift the chest for lizard. Breathe in. Exhale. Send the hips back. Straighten your left leg. Try to sink your chest to your thigh. Come forward once again. Untuck that right foot. Bring that left foot back to meet your right. This time we're going to go into a plank versus downward facing dog. Try to hold it here. And exhale the knees back down. Take a nice stretch. Maybe send your hips to your heels. And turn around. Come into a seat. Lift the arms. Keep the knees bent. And let's slowly work our way all the way back down. Send your back to the earth. Legs up in the air. Arms are down by your side. Just take a moment to flex the feet. And breathe into this moment. Maybe you want to point your toes in this moment. Just take some gentle movements that feel good to your ankles. Maybe shake your thighs a little bit. Have a little fun. Feel free to stay here for this inversion, or you can lift further up onto your shoulders. Maybe bring your knees to your head, or come into a plow with your feet extending all the way forward above your head. Take any inversion you need right now in this moment. Wherever you are, slowly work your way down. Bring the bottom of your feet together. Come into a reclined butterfly. Inhale the arms over your head. Place your hands on your crown. Just take a moment to connect to this space of higher consciousness. Connect to spirit, to source. Feel the energy widening your hips in this moment. Just breathe it all in. Inhale, energy flowing through your fingers into your crown space, telling yourself that you are connected and you are divine. And whenever you're ready, roll all the way up. Come into an easy seat of choice. And let's just take some gentle neck rolls in whatever direction feels good right now for you. And of course, reverse it on the other side. Maybe you lower your gaze in this moment. And then find stillness. Bring your head back to center. Lift the head all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, send your chin to your chest, just showing our head, our neck some love right now in this moment. Come back up to center. And let's slowly inhale the arms all the way out and up, coming into a V. Look up to the sky. Give thanks for this day, for this moment. Bring the palms together over your head. Exhale the palms down to your head one last time. Sending beautiful energy of light, of connection to yourself in this moment. Breathing in slowly here as we wind down our practice. You are connected, you are divine, you are wisdom. And let's bring our palms together in Anjali Mudra, prayer position, in front of our third eye. Again, our center of clarity, of intuition. Exhale, lower the hands down to your throat space of communication and manifestation. And then finally lower down to your heart space. Let's take a deep cleansing breath here. Inhale slowly through the nose. And exhale, take a bow as we honor yourself. We give thanks and open up your hands to the sky. Give thanks to the earth. And I thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful day. Peace and light.